Okay, what? As we are investigative TV, getting onto the action. We are seeing the man.
Stop it! Go away! Go away!
The man with the hammer. What is he trying to do?
Where did he go?
Tell me, sir.
Sir, what are you doing to this poor car?
Woman,
Saving.
what's your comment? Man, what are you doing?
Man with video camera. Look,
Here.
Here, we'll do a hang on, we'll do a movie scene. Hang on.
Cool. I want to do a movie scene.
Hi, Tracy.
Coming soon to a theater near you. People driving by.
We're in the
Oh my God. What's happening?
Film it.
Yep. She said maybe Monday and Tuesday. Oh, yeah.
Movie
Is
scene.
it working for you or with you?
With me.
With you?
Yeah, 'cause
We
she
are
might have
actually in
taken
the
off
scene
the
of that.
Yeah, might have? I think she did. Oh, okay.
Hi.
Yeah, we're just filming.
Okay, conflict with cars. Now.
Oh, okay.
Anyways.
So maybe I'll see you Monday?
Yeah, call me.
Peter's supposed
The
to
car
call us
showdown.
separately.
Pardon?
Peter's gonna call us if we have to work.
All right. Okay,
Where you
thanks.
going?
See you later.
Bye.
Goodbye. That was a coworker.
Dog where?
Dog where?
There, dog.
Dog! Dog! Hello, dog!
Start bark. Start
Hello, doggy! Hello, doggy! Hello, doggy! Doggy, 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 doggy! Okay, forget you, dog. Nice sound effect. Is she running after the dog?
What?
Is she running after the dog?
Comment.
Hi. What's your comment about the weather going on right out there? Doing a documentary on the whole 98 ice storm.
I think we should give it back to the Indians.
Give it back. Give it
They
back.
don't want it.
Thanks. Yeah. Well, give it back to the Indians. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you think of that? Logical?
Illogical.
Don't waste your film.
Roar. 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 You guys are nuts.
Let's push it forward. Woo! It's moving.
And go.
I don't have this guy with the movie.
Lights.
Close the shutter.
Why?
Because the moon's too bright. You see?
Oh.
I closed my shutter almost all the way.
Is it too bright?
Because it's really glowing.
Oh wait. But of course, if I met you, that'd even be nicer. I'd be like, hi, how are you doing? Oh, he's so nice.
It's in the fire, to burn the flame.
Who? Me?
Yes.
You're
not a nice guy.
What's wrong with you? A lot of it are wrong. They don't know.
There we go, we found the first thing.
Hey.
Hey Alice, where are you going?
Oh, do that.
Where's Alice going? Woo! Where's Alex going? Alex! Where are you going?
The bus might be coming. Actually, I think it is. Alex, the bus is coming. That's our bus. It's either 201 or 211.
Could be either one. You have to, but make sure you take 211.
Alex! Alex, it's coming! Our bus! What the hell? What the hell?
Is that it?
There is a bus.
There's a bus, so you can bring it over there.
Stop sign, right? No, it's stop sign there.
Sorry, wrong bus. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay, wrong bus.
There was a kind of sporty type of fighting going on between the two of them, and that's what I really liked. I thought it was really great. That's what the movie really could use.
What's the matter? Look all tense.
Tense?
Yes.
No.
No?
We're here to relax.
Yes.
Let's get a drink.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Up.
He wants to get her on this boat so she can't run away. That's basically what he says, which kind of makes sense. You know, if you want to have a discussion with somebody,